Have you ever felt tired and low on energy after a long day? You work out hard, but don't see the results you want. Or maybe you just want to improve your health with a high-protein diet, but don't know where to start. Let Health Tips 365 Global help you. Today, we're going to explore 5 high-protein meal recipes, delicious, easy to make, and perfect for keeping your body strong, healthy, and fit. Why is protein important? Protein builds muscle, repairs tissues, boosts the immune system, and supports metabolism. If you don't get enough protein, your body struggles to recover, loses muscle, and may even experience mood swings. How do high-protein meals benefit you? Maintain muscle mass and a lean physique. Support weight loss by keeping you full longer. Provide energy to keep you active throughout the day. Are you ready to discover 5 high-protein meal ideas that will fuel your body and keep you in shape? Stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal a special protein-packed recipe for busy days. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy nutrition tips. Well, high-protein meals. 1. Honey-glazed grilled chicken and sweet potato. Protein. Approximately 40 grams per serving. 150 grams chicken breast. 1 medium sweet potato. Approximately 100 grams. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Spices, pepper, salt, minced garlic, chili powder. Marinate the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic, and honey for 10 minutes. 1 grill at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, flipping once for even browning. To steam or bake the sweet potato and serve with the chicken. Benefits. Chicken breast provides lean protein for muscle growth. Sweet potatoes offer slow digesting carbs for sustained energy. 2. Cheese and veggie omelet. Protein. Approximately 35 grams per serving. 3 eggs, 50 grams low-fat cheese. 1/2 bell pepper, 1/2 red onion, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Beat the egg. Eat veggies in olive oil for 2 minutes. To pour eggs into the pan, add cheese and cook until set. Benefits. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids for recovery. Cheese adds extra protein and calcium. 3. Salmon and avocado salad. Protein. Approximately 45 grams per serving. 150 grams grilled salmon. 1/2 avocado. Greens, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, dressing, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Grill salmon with salt and pepper for 5 minutes on each side. 1. Chop the greens and avocado. Mix with the salmon. To drizzle with dressing and enjoy. Benefits. Salmon is rich in omega-3, which helps reduce inflammation. Avocado provides healthy fats to aid vitamin absorption. 4. Beef and broccoli stir-fry. Protein. Approximately 50 grams per serving. 150 grams sliced beef. 100 grams broccoli. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Soy sauce, pepper, chili flakes. Garlic and olive oil. Add beef and stir-fry for 3 minutes. 1. Add broccoli, cook for 2 more minutes, and season to taste. Benefits. Beef contains natural creatine, boosting workout performance. 5. Banana and chia seed protein smoothie. Protein. Approximately 30 grams per serving. 1 banana. 1 scoop whey protein or 100 grams Greek yogurt. 200 milliliters almond milk. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Blend all ingredients in a blender. 1 blend for 30 seconds until smooth. To serve over ice, if desired. Benefits. This smoothie is packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full longer. So, we've just explored 5 delicious high-protein meals that are easy to make and packed with nutrition. Have you tried any of these? Comment below and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips from Health Tips 365 Global. Start today and feel the difference in your body. See you in the next video.